welcome back to the channel. So I'm just chilling in the room being lazy today. It is terrible weather outside. There's a tropical storm. South Florida is pretty much blanketed all of Florida with rain. But I wanted to bring this video to y'all to cover some of the questions I've been getting asked. Basically, what are my plans with the Nitrous? So something that is a little bit out of the norm. I want to do either a 50 shot, 75 shot, and I'm not tuning for it.
Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
I know, it's crazy. But I did a ton of research. Even before 4.6 Chris went nitrous, I was thinking about nitrous, and I was researching nitrous. I've had turbo cars, supercharged cars. I've never had a nitrous car. I've been researching it forever, and I have friends that have nitrous cars. So, going back my trusty old forums, I have screenshots here on my phone. And even going way back, let's see, this one's from 2008. This guy sprayed a 100 shot for 6 years, no issues. This guy's been running a 150 shot, just colder plugs, no tune. Let's see. The one that got me is the guy said when he initially had it done, he had his timing down 4 degrees, but found out with a 100 shot and the timing down that his car ran slower. So he put the timing back to stock and ran 0.2 faster. It's just colder plugs and 93 octane. That is it. And I'll put these up on the screen so y'all can read this. So he got better numbers running stock timing. And it was, you know, he did it for many years, so obviously it wasn't that bad. And I got plenty of screenshots to go through. Let's see. This one is just talking about the colder plugs. This guy said 100 shot is fine, no plug change and no timing change, but I wouldn't go anything past that. Now, to elaborate on that, I do plan on running colder plugs. So, and I gotta keep an eye on my bottle pressure. I just got my nitrous gauge in, so it's very nice quality. Everything Nitrous Express does seems to be great quality, and man, fast shipping. It took like 2 days for them to get that to me. It is amazing. But I have all these screenshots of all the people who've done it for years. This guy said that he did a 100 shot, only 1 step colder plugs, got to 3500s and 93 octane, and he had many bottles through it. Some people say they run 200 bottles. Some people did it amount of years they've ran, but basically, yes, the tune is great to have. I'm not downing anybody for having a tune and being extra cautious. But where I want to start out with this is I want to do basically showing the budget side of nitrous and how easy it is to get into nitrous, and you can slowly upgrade things. I plan on running a bottle heater eventually. I want the cutoff, and I want a window switch. But starting out, my full throttle switch, especially with the automatic, is going to be fine. Not pulling timing is going to be fine. And I'm not going to go crazy. Like I said, 75 shot is pretty much my limit of where I want to run. I may go 100 shot, but that's, you know, again, if I have if I ever get a programmer and can pull a little bit of timing, I will do it. But like I said, that one guy, you know, he ran 100 shot and pulled timing, and it hurt him. So he put the back to stock timing and ran it, and ran it many years. So I'm going to put these up, like I said, so y'all just go through it. This guy said I've been running mine for over a year without a tune. I did upgrade the fuel pump. I already have a 255 fuel pump, so I should be good there. And it's a wet kit, so I'm getting fuel straight from the fuel rail, so I don't have to worry about my injectors at that point. So like I said, I will eventually upgrade. I will eventually get a bottle heater. I will get a window switch. But I want to cover the basis of starting out You don't need all this stuff. You can slowly add to it and slowly upgrade it. Whereas if you went with a turbo kit, you need certain things in order for it to run. I don't need these in order to run it. To be safer, yes. But that's the plan right now. And I know this ain't a action-packed video. I had another video that I was recording. Things didn't really work out. Ran a trip to the junkyard and that didn't pan out. So I had to get on LMR and order some parts. So they should be in, I think it said Thursday. But like I said, with the tropical storm going on out there, everything is just crap right now. You got the election stuff going on. They don't know who the president's going to be. They got this tropical storm. Just people are just crazy. Traffic is crazy. Life is crazy right now. So I'm trying to get out content, and I don't want to put up just random crap content, but I've been asked plenty of times what my plan is. And I've always got Chris to lean on. So I've never had him not be there to back me up or to give me advice. And I know he says go with a tune, and that's probably not going to set well with him. But at the same time, I want to do this, and if it messes up, that's oops on me, and it's not oops on anybody else or anything else. That's oops on me. But with all the research I've did and so many people running hundreds of bottles to their car with no tune, at 100 shot, I don't think I'm going to have an issue. I really don't. So that is the plan for now, and I appreciate y'all watching, and let me, give me some input. What do y'all think? Am I stupid for doing this? Are you interested to see, how it's going to start off, and if it's going to go kaboom? Are you hoping it goes kaboom? Are you hoping it pulls out? I know there's always going to be people that wants to see people's downfall. I don't care. If you're here supporting me, you're here supporting me. That's fine, man. I just, this is the way I want to do it. This is the process I want to take. And I hope y'all join me for the ride. And let's see what we can make happen. Thank you for watching.
Raindrop, drop top, cooking up these rappers in the crock pot. They don't want to see me get their top pop. Matter of fact, the time is at an end, get the stopwatch. Chop chop, we don't try to write like that. No, we don't recite like that. We here to bring the hype type back, and this is just the right type track to give the game the right life back, and we will not stop. We gon' put it down with a good amount. Headed to the top, ain't nobody gonna put me down. This is what the majors could have found, what they should have found. Banging up these rappers, lock them down like a bully hound. We eating them up like souffle. All of these rappers you play, but now you should know they too fake. We're here to save you, say hooray. We'll come out on top like toupees. We're here to stay. We don't play or listen to the Migos and Migo. They mama when they rap cause they don't know how to.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around. No matter how far I go, I'll never come.